Yeah? Are you gonna tell us that you're annoyed with the hiccups? Are they getting on your nerves? Huh? Oh, handsome, you can talk to Mama. Say hi, world. Look at these hands, they're huge and little at the same time. Ryan. Ryan. So cute. So cute. Say hello. Say, I'm 3 weeks old. And I got these hiccups that won't go away. Poor baby. And then wait a week. Hi, world. Aw, you're just so handsome.